Hack number 1. Restarting your car after floods or heavy rain. This last one is less of a maintenance trick and more of a lifesaver in an emergency. If you've ever driven through deep water or gotten caught in a heavy downpour, you know how terrifying it is when your car suddenly won't start. Often, the culprit is moisture inside your ignition components, like the distributor cap, coil, or spark plug wires, causing misfires or a complete stall. This is where WD-40 truly earns its name. Water displacement. 40th formula. Spray WD-40 directly onto the wet ignition components, especially the distributor cap and spark plug wires. It pushes out the moisture instantly and coats the surface with a thin protective layer. Within moments, your ignition regains spark and your car can start again. Now, let's be clear. This isn't a long-term fix, but in a flooding emergency, when you're stranded and need to move, WD-40 can be the difference between being stuck on the roadside and getting home safely. A small can could save you from a big disaster.